Good day everybody, Paul here from Paul's Backyard Garden. Here we are, the end of March, and I just wanted to kind of give you an update of what's happening for this month. I do have a few veggie starts on the go in the grow room, and how would I give everybody an update on the snow that's outside, because that's what everybody seems to be asking about. In one moment we'll go for a walk. Here we go, end of March, and this is my little backyard. There's the pool, one shed, the second shed, and I think before I show you what the garden beds look like, let's go take a look at the veggie starts that I have. And here in my grow room I have some bell peppers growing, Walla onions, doing well. Here I have some marigolds planted, nothing coming up there yet. The impatiens, I have two coming up. The sage is a few of those coming up. This is my thyme. Over here I have cos romaine lettuce, and in the back I have some spinach growing. This is flat leaf parsley and curly leaf parsley. And we have some pansies growing. I have some Brussels sprouts growing. And some broccoli growing. Okay, here we go, guys. Yep. There's still lots of snow in this yard. But at least the snow is not all the way up to the eaves on the house anymore. And you see that little bamboo stick right there? Well, a week ago that was covered up. I couldn't see it at all. So the snow is slowly melting. With the amount of snow that we got this year, we're kind of happy that it is going slowly. Because there has been a few people with water in their basements this year because of all this snow. Anyway, I'd like to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe.